TMO Online Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on this show. Viewer discretion advised.
Ayi mukama otenderezebwe katonda w'eggulu twabadde era ffe ku Sande ne bwanga tugenda kusala endiganya tukawereke kagende n'ebisirani byako. Nakalema had two roles. One, to Dr. Museveni's intelligence report when he was Privacy Principal Secretary. Yes. Two, Nakalema when she took over that job, abadde agoba abantu ku mirimu atekemu abantu balwaboko. Nakalema abadde alemesa files. Oyo omukazi gundi, omukazi Akullo, naye abadde buli muntu yenna. Anybody who goes to Museveni to report, who writes a security report is arrested by Akullo. Okullo! Nakwata gundi. Nakwata byandala talina kyakoze. Nakwata Dr. Lukwago ona permanent secretary. Namusiba yali amuwadde n'obutwa. Okullo! Akullo should explain now that input evudde mu nayoba Akullo agenda. Akullo, where are you going to go? Akullo, where are you going to go now?
Bajja muwa role ndala.
Talina ndala bamu ambassador n'agaana. Let us examine the death of Kagezi. Kagezi's car was shot when he was ahead of Akulozika. Kagezi bali bamwadde miliyoni 6 nga aluganye ngoyo omukazi mwali ne DPP nga mwali Kawesi yakima $5 million from an Al-Qaeda office, Al-Qaeda office in Mombasa. Naye olunaku lumu obusajja obwo buli kwatibwa tubwetaaga nnyo tulubya tumwetaaga nnyo ne Kabusenga gundi Kandiho nkugaye nti Kawesi abamutta bamanyiddwa. Kawesi was killed on Friday when he had been scheduled to meet the president on Tuesday.
Yes.
Kubanga
we are wondering.
Yes.
We hear that whoever seeks appointment with the president.
Africa was the first prevented from meeting Museveni. Why? Museveni had cleared $5 billion for Africa. Africa in a Karebo group. Okay. Where is military intelligence?
We are also wondering.
Auntie, Kati Oju Yabade Taina, and he's responsible.
How comes a person like Burundi has that information and military intelligence is not there?
Oyo andiko yatula ne banne to dupe Museveni, to give them money. Ne balimba Museveni n'aba M.i.S.O. Nti omanyi abaana ba no, they are planning to burn the city. Even the money that was stolen from the civil service, Ministry of Civil Service, 45% of that money is percentage is the Cairo Bank. But Akullo killed the case. Is in judgment. Is in the court's judgment.
I see.
Yes, that Akullo as director of SID ensured. What about the bicycle? The bicycle people who sold Museveni's bicycles and told these people to take the money that they had formed a day. They did not listen. They did not send the money to India. They opened up a fake account in the Stambik. Akullo waited until the money was stolen to arrest innocent people. Ayi mukama otenderezebwe katonda w'eggulu mukama tumukubire ku munga.
Nga mukyesunga embaga y'okwokya endiga muzeeyi Tamale emirundi zibagenda okwokya ne Princess Buwanga nze ntandise. Yezwe Salungo Kanka kapita nze mutesitesi w'ebyo byolaba era nze eddoboozi ly'owulira emabega okuweereza. Nga tunabagenda mu biri ebingi nyina ebitonotono ebyo byenkulaze bigenda okubaawo kansooke nkubuulire. Ebizinensi yavaayo yonna gye mulangira, ebizinensi yadda ku intaneti. Tekyaliyo omuntu alina budde bubeera na limoti mu ngalo, abantu balina masimu gaabwe. Langa ne TM Online Television omukutu ogukyasinza okubeera ogw'amaanyi ku online tusobole okutambuza bizinensi yo abantu bonna bagitegeere. Tulina emiwendo giri reasonable, kampuni yo tugirepresentinga bulungi ate ng'olwedde tulina ba client ba followers baffe be bamu ku beetaaga service ezo gwe zoogaba. Kati kuba ku namba y'essimu eyo gy'olaba tusobole okulangira bizinensi mu ngeri eneesimbu. Mbabuulira mwenna nti nga mugenda mu kiseera kya Valentine tubaaniriza mu mwezi ogwokubiri omwezi ogwa Valentine guno gwe tugendamu naye nga tunabagenda tulinawo package gye tubaleetedde eya Valentine kansooke mbaleke mugiwulirize.
Juba Royal Travel has prepared your Valentine's special on 13th to 15th of February 2022. Come and enjoy your Valentine's special on a trip to Lake Bunyonyi. The Valentine's special has all entrance fees covered, 2 nights accommodation, a safari drive guide, and all meals covered. This trip from Kampala has a stopover at the Equator in Masaka and a boat trip, 2 nights accommodation, a safari drive guide and all meals, and a community tour visit to Lake Bunyonyi is one of your interesting adventures for your Valentine's special. A 3-day and 2 nights Juba Royal Travel, your travel partner.
Kyekyo Juba Royal Travel bategekedde temusubwa trip eyo ne sente muzirabye ne namba z'amasimu ze muba mugenda okubako.
Kakazigwe wagenze ayimukama otenderezebwe Katonda waggulu. Twabadde era ffe ku Sande ne Bwanga tugenda kusala endiganya tusale endongo tukawereke kagende n'ebisirani byako. Nakalema had 2 roles. One, to Dr. Museveni's intelligence report when he was privacy principal secretary. Yes. 2, Nakalema, when she took over that job, she wanted to get rid of, she was used to get rid of people in the government. Ngabajako emirimu gyabwe. Era kankubuulire. I detected it long time ago. Nakalema abadde agoba bantu ku mirimu atekemu abantu balwabo okwo. Nakalema abadde alemesa files. Oyo omukazi gundi, omukazi Akullo, naye abadde buli muntu yenna. Anybody who goes to Museveni to report, who writes a security report, is arrested by Akullo. There is a man who went and gave Museveni a lot of security information. He was arrested by Akullo and taken to Kitalia. The man is still languishing in Kitalwa. Museveni directed nti gundi ebya bakwate bagundi bano abali sente za leya Akullo yakano bakwata. Akullo nakwata gundi nakwata byandala talina kyakoze. Nakwata Dr. Lukwago ona permanent secretary namusiba yali amuwadde n'obutwa. Akullo what Akullo should explain now that input evudde mu nayoba Akullo agenda. Akullo, where are you going to go? Akullo, where are you going to go now?
Bajja muwa role ndala
tayina ndala bamu ambassador n'agaana balwako ne bapayo mutajja genda. Kakati kankubule, let us examine the death of Kagezi. Kagezi's car was shot when he was ahead of Akullo's car. What happened? Did Akullo's escorts fire in the air to scare? Why were they sure that the attackers were not going to? We are only interested in Kagezi. And how come that Kagezi was in front of this Mumanizika? Kagezi bali bamwadde milioni 6 nga luganyi. Ngoyo omukazi mwali ne DPP nga mwali kujeyo bakamuga. Kawesi yakima $5 million from an Al-Qaeda office in Mombasa. He stayed there for 5 days. And every day they are bringing $1 million in a bus.
I see.
Nga Kawesi jali. Kawesi ne bamuwa esente. Kagezi n'azigana. Kagezi bwe yafa Kabushenga yakuba Amawulire. We are launching a fund to help Kagezi's children, to divert. Don't discuss this woman. And that has been Kabushenga's nebokede wekola. Ebituse nayo lunaku lumu obusajja obwo buli kwatibwa. Tubwetaaga nnyo kulubya tumwetaaga nnyo ne Kabushenga. When Makerere University's building was gutted by fire for people who wanted to destroy all of files concerning Makerere land that had been sold. Makerere land had been sold. Kaba nyolo kani oyo buzo oyo chief whip.
We thought that they destroyed the building. They were hiding Museveni's qualifications, academic papers.
Mutu ne mulabako kabangali ngajikanga baddeko ngembuze nnume. Tujja bala bakabangali nga bajikanga baddeko ngembuze nnume. Kagati nkugamba nti era Kabushenga kakuba Chinese to reconstruct this building. Has it ever been constructed?
No.
The important thing was reconstruction or to find the arsonists?
Of course. Of course, it was first to investigate the cause of the fire.
Yes.
Not to tell us who is to rebuild it.
Ono. Gundi Kandiho. Nkugaye nti Kawesi abamuta bamanyiddwa. Kawesi was killed on Friday when he had been scheduled to meet the president on Tuesday.
Yes.
Kubanga
we are wondering.
Yes.
We hear that whoever seeks appointment with the president.
Apirika was first prevented from meeting Museveni. Why? Museveni had cleared 5 billion for Apirika. Apirika ina karebo group ke. Nekamuga tuwe send. Museveni yawa Apirika ekirabo kyengatto. On the State of National Address.
Yes.
By parliamentary address, Apirika was dead. The same group. Nachobe survived because I tipped her. Katumba Omara Iranga him. He thought he was a mufere. They had hired the people at a cost of $2 million. Who has 2 million? They took $500,000 to get the rest after finishing the job. So Chirumira was killed by the same group to implicate Kayihura. Where is military intelligence?
We are also wondering.
Auntie, Kati Oju data ina, and he's responsible.
How comes a person like Biruni has that information and military intelligence is not there?
Oyo, Kandiho yatula ne banne to dupe Museveni, to give them money. Ne balimba Museveni n'aba M.i.S.O. Nti omanyi abaana ba Nuupu, they are planning to burn the city after the election. But the Mese n'abagenyi okujja. It was a lie. Museveni picked it. Nagamba to make a preemptive arrest, mubakwate, but don't torture them. Don't beat them up. Tubafune we tubateeka tubasomese. Afterwards tubawe sente ebyemikono. Saleh hinted on it. To train these people. Hinted on it. Ndoza iba akimulita n'akigoba. Kakati bwe kyebali bagera mu bakandiko. The real intention was to drag special forces into the operation to implicate
the name of
Muhoozi. Era ekikwewunyisa okumanya be babirimu. Where did the international community, international media get the photos of tortured people?
From Uganda.
At the times, the names Museveni was mentioning of being in custody were more than the people available.
Yes.
Who was confusing him. And he admitted, you will be confessed to Amuse. How can the president admit a man who brought to freedom to admit that they had sanctioned killing people, using extrajudicial methods?
Zebula.
I'm telling you.
I see.
He's in danger.
Mzee, you're just saying Akullo did not deliver anything to CID?
Yes.
For all this time of office?
Even the money that was stolen from the civil service, Ministry of Civil Service, 45% of that money is percentage is in the Cairo Bank. But Akullo killed the case. It's in judgment. It's in the court's judgment.
I see.
Yes. That Akullo as director of CID ensured. What about the bicycle? The bicycle people who sold Museveni's bicycles and told these people to take the money that they had fought a day. They did not listen. They did not send the money to India. They opened up a fake account in the Stambik. Akullo waited until the money was stolen to arrest innocent people. I wrote about Akullo. Yes. Tunaenda kuua gondola 5. Gondola 5. Celebration. Akullo. Do you know what I wrote about Akullo?
No.
I said, this is my book.
Killing a medical doctor.
Yes. I wrote it in dated 19th April 2013. I pointed out that this man was innocent. It was the money was stolen by Tumwebazi and Kawushenga. Nayoko sajja kuva kagenda kuddawa. Both of them have disappeared like a gonorrhea. Kandiho kanonyo kakabusenge nse kanonya. New vision basanze mpute sel. Bakanonya bagenda kutunda farm yako. Ayi mukama utenderezebwe katonda wekulu. Mukama tumukubira kumunga. Bwakwa ne kulubya ajja. Kulubya ne bwana akola ate ne ishi ekimu. Kubaka group kabadde kamu. Kakbo kakati singa saba kuba
akasana akamwe akisawo omwenda kala ekakakoze
singa saba kuba ku kyabazinga kyabazinga kati busoko uli yebizibu ne baga nti nedda era balowooza mbu wa muhoozi baga mu kyabazinga bwa muhoozi era buli gwe balowooza nti wa muhoozi bamulumba n'oyo kiweebwesa oyo all of the pastors who are perceived to be supporting muhoozi especially the younger people kakati ono gundi bugembe bange nti alina we yasomye prayers wait bagenda mukuba nti alina ku mikolo guno president we yamuyisa okusabira eggwanga they are going to attack him.
I see.
No yesu senyonga yayina kudduka ne kayanja bagenda bakulamu empala bagenda kulamu mugenda kulaba kayanja ngadduka yekutte wakati senyonga mugenda mulaba mu church ngadduka yekutte wakati
kayanja abakuumi ayina VIP protection
tebajja bamujjako kakati nkugamba
baramusanga
nabagamba nti police side Grace Akullo nabagamba nti the question was raised as to who would be killed instead of the cobra. The man argued that since there were many medical doctors in Rome, one should be killed in order to save the city's only cobra. A cobra killed a person, but the Roman law was misinterpreted. They said that if there was only one cobra in the coast of Rome, so if we killed a person, instead of killing him, and the whole city suffered, let them pick an innocent medical doctor because there were many. I say, the above anecdote reminds me of the way Side Grace Akullo executes her official duties. In her wisdom, she can leave the culprit to go scot-free and arrest or harass the innocent ones. She kills the innocent medical doctor in inverted commas in order to save the powerful corrupt officials in the government. She does not premise her judgment on fairness as the Roman judge abandoned the traditional Roman practices fairness. Let me be clear. The Katusiro Disaka Unomukazi Akullo namuwandika kodi akalaga abantu nti Akullo ono yenda kukinja gondola 5 gondola tunaenda kukinja gondola 5 to celebrate Akullo
gwene bwanga mugenda kusala endiga mweyagale ate ekyewuunyisa muzeeyi kakati
gondola
Nakalema yakajja okwata entebe gye babadde bamuwadde. Has she been that bad in this shortest time? She has served the anti-corruption.
Nakalema's department has been the most corrupt. Nakalema's office stinks. And it
is anti-corruption.
I advise the younger man who has taken over to restructure it by removing all of the dead wood, all of the corrupt people in his office.
And restrain from doing the same.
Is using dead woods. The most corrupt people.
But he's supposed to inherit the files.
Banango buyinza buzibu. Nagenza kutuka Nakalema abadde asula nga ayina ebimotoka tewalina kimu. Ayi Mukama otenderezebwe Katonda w'eggulu. Ayi Mukama otenderezebwe nga ngenda mu nsozi kenagenda mu nsozi
okumaka sana
kugamba mukatabo kankano kola byenkugamba. With the veterans and historicals scattered and demolished, Museveni missed an opportunity to build a political party for Uganda completely unique from the traditional ones. Nkugamba. This led to the emergence of the mafia gang. I pointed out in one of my books that following the 2001 elections, a group of arrogant youths emerged, led by one of Museveni's in-laws, Rwabogo. The group created a government within a government, a subterfuge. This group soon became the gateway to the state and established a mafia-style network within the government. With their influence and proximity to Museveni, they have successfully taken over the entire government. The way this group conducts itself is very alarming. They go by the principle, you are either with us or with them. They also believe that they can use Reverend Canon Nakalema's office to get rid of people in the government offices using corruption and replace them with their choice. They target leaders who are not in their camp to be defeated in elections and be moved. However, I pointed out, ayomukana otende lwabwoga ali ono the run ali ku Twitter Nakalema bafumudde embwa Akullo bafumudde embwa n'abalala bajja genda ate linda lishafu eri mu gavumenti kiwanuka se judiciary kiwanuka
gwe bakawentebe
se judiciary
bakagimuwa
nalabye omulamuzi adduka mu judiciary n'agenda waabe wa Nakalema omulamuzi naye mulamuzi gwe noonuka oswaza mulamuzi gwe noonuka omusajja
nadduka mu chambers
Museveni yakutte eddwaliro nali wajju wakali Museveni yakutte eddwaliro ly'emulago aga nti omusawo omuganda alikulire mukasa mululi tasomangako mateeka musajja mbega kati ye minisita wa justice tumutendereze Yesu tumutendereze kiwanuka se judiciary within a very short time. Those are local boys. Birabalamuza amasimu abakola.
Museveni yagamba ntanaba kufuna muntu ali capable kajiro na mukumirako mukasa mululi ne bamuwadde abololoza agira ayiyawo
agamba oyo yasoma bachelor of law materials nekyembuza president ngamaze okubeeka namukola wuki when will they trust you bwe wafudde oba tukyalina kyoddamu kakati nkugamba na politikitinga nti bajja genda. However, the group will never succeed. One group cannot be allowed by the population to usurp their power, whether by force, coercion, or by bribery. Furthermore, many members of the mafia group are not popular. They will obvious a spark of a national resistance. Linda Lwaboko. Ajeye mpapula bino byajoga abantu nagoba kadaka nagoba nachobe nagoba nan buchajoga yajoga kugwata sobola boga lichejusa bali mugamba n'abaana bo babani te olunaku goyo omusajja wa mwandi estimating that man ovanga ku mwana atanywa mata ononkwatira you bring an appointment in my house nti banonze kuba minister girese mu besas alese baluwe ngoba ku mulimu muwe enkoko nembuzi kandi togenda kunkwatira
oli walete baluwa timirundi agobeddwa mu government omuwe enkoko n'osala amazina
nenda be baluwa ti we are here by directing you to return all the properties belonging to government agirese muwe enkoko
mpulira
naye alese appointment na mukubesa simu
timirundi kali ye minister wa
abayogera kunziza mu bujozi kudda kunteeka mwanda weya mu lugosi. So
people are wondering how you come to predict things in those writings in your books.
Yes. Ntegera.
Do you have prior information of
no nchitegera nti therefore maintaining their presence in the government means that we agree to be humiliated by members of the mafia gang. I knew even the mafias in Italy came with time ne babajjawo. Even in Colombia came with time ne babalwanyisa banoliega. I knew nti Museveni will reach a time bano time mubano temuyinza kufa mu Obukulembeze no yifu lwabwogo
Museveni atendese muzeibe baliwa ekigeze eggwanga alifuga yekka kayina ba
bwekibanga nga Museveni atuuka okukozesa excessive force n'okuteekanda house arrest mu Serena a week number nga kujjewo n'akuleeta
nebo nga bateeba house arrest agifunira mu Serena
anti kitegeeza tali kuwa Bukulembeze kubanga w'omujogera yembabazi abantu bano tebalina ndowooza abasaana balina element nti tebategeera mukulu tebakulyako mu centralized authority. If Museveni appoints his wife n'amuteeka mu prime minister's office is it profitable to harass her? Nze n'omusajja bamugoba ku mulimu omusajja oyo yajja n'aŋŋamba muwala wa Sale yali akolayo mu ekyo ekitongole nga mwakola. The man came to me nanga nti I have a problem ne muwala wa Sale nti naye ngenda kumugoba ogenda mugoba ti nayogedde ne kitaawe ngenda mugoba nemuga you are stupid. Sale n'amasasi gali mu mubiri n'omukono gwe gwewita bamukuba amasasi nti gwe wali ludda wati that time gwakoba omwana wa Sale wali luddawa gwakoba omwana wa Sale wali ludda
yamugoba
ekyamugoba ne bakigoba lyamugoba ne bamugoba nemugamba leave alone omwana wa Sale you talk to his father disciplining ategeere is embarrassing the family not you but toyinza kuba mwana wa Sale gwe wakola ki
bwe baali bamukuba oli amasasi
nayogedde naye nakkiriza ne mugamba tomanyi bikini bwagwe yali kugambye eki yali kugambye eki yali ntomugoba yategedde toyina magezi era taliyo kakati first lady bamututte prime minister's office omuharassing Museveni is testing you if you can harass my wife nga nkyaliwo Lwabwogo is doing the same bwe bamuyita nga abiwakanya ngadda ku Twitter ng'akola ki kakati tajja kuweera ddala atoyina capacity babadde bakutiira ku Museveni twebategeere nti yakukyawa ne bufakitole bukwata omuliro olabe bwodduka nga tokyafuluma mu nnyumba. This is what he doesn't know. Muganda summarized this by saying gwogalirako gwogaseera. You know what it means? Nti a man abeera n'omukazi ng'amuyamba lwakuba mwana we gwe yamuzaalamu naye nga alina n'abaana abalala kaakati omwana wange gwe nkuweerako emmere bw'ogimuseera ne musanga nga alabika bubi mutwala
owadde balala.
You have not understood nti all your children are getting food from me
because of the only one I have with you,
because I have a child here. If kakati Lwabwogo tamanyi the status is enjoying
gwagalirako gwagaseera.
Yes nti enjuba teyina gundi kitangaala ekijja omwezi tegulina kukijja ku njuba. Lwabwogo is going to suffer the same fate like Ani Mbabazi.
I see.
Mbabazi vetted this cabinet but who fears Mbabazi
now? He's fallen out with the boss.
Yagenda nagwa. However close Mbabazi is to Museveni byakunyumyamu.
I see.
Ekitiibwa ki kyakola ki?
Kyagwawo.
Tumwebaze. Kati kale tuweka ne kalulega. Kati bwazze ku Zoom. In fact kambabuli. Baali bagamba tetujja kgenda. We shall not go to Hague. Write to our lawyers. This is a health problem. We shall not go. Toyina ki tuli balwadde. Waliwo guno. Bakateekako millions of dollars. Abasajja bakwata abafaanana tumwebaze 5 olunaku wamma bamwetaaga tumwebaze yadduka n'engalabiye okudda mu Zoom eddamu. The Zooming is starting next week baddayo ku Zoom.
I see.
And they are likely to go to Hague now that Museveni has liberalized. Mbabuuza, if Museveni was really interested in Lwabwogo, why did he allow him to remain in the list of the wanted people? He's indicted.
But mzee
amanya gali 157 lwaki teyamujjamu.
Mzee kankubuuze
kakati ebyo byonna abantu bwe banabitegeera bino byagenda ku Twitter nti alaga nti ali flamboyant. Flamboyant. The people were asking why wasn't he making noise? Two, why do you think that when you deny ntoyagala ba president abantu tebamanyi
abantu of course
bakimanyi. Why do you talk about presidents if you are not concerned? Lwaki obuuza nti omwala afumbirwa dde kotayinamu nga gwe tomwagala? People know you want the presidency. Abaganda bagamba nti weeyisaako anabikka ku maddu omalawo ennyama ompe eggumba. Do you eat the bone? Are you a dog? Why are you picking interest in the succession? You are interested but kiriza. You want a 1419 nti oyina a very damaging case eya indictment. Bwe baba bakuvunaanako nti bakuvunaana nti watwala abaana ebweru 3 companies ng'oli indicted ne bw'okuwangula omusango people will say oyavunaanibwako are we going to turn our country into a human abattoir? Tuyina gy'olaga all of those who have been implicated tebalina gye balaga. They cannot become president. Gw'omukisa gwo gwaggwamu. Kati Lwabwogo kyalina okukola tekyatayagala kukola. Let him support somebody else.
I see.
Yes.
Ate you right here. Asolo supportinga gwayagala oba gwatayagala.
Addira obugagga bwe bwonna because his interest is to protect wealth. Nti nze yalimanya ndina butteebu obumudamaginga. N'alowooza mbu ajja kunnyigiriza. Hardened n'enkuwaayo oba onzita nabuwaayo butteebu bwonna ne buli kenkwatako konna nkawaayo njagala ejjoogo eryo likugwe mu mutwe otegeere sente zo toyina bwajja tolina naffe tulifuna sente nga tuwasiza muwala wa president aliddako. But you cannot humiliate me to this level. Bw'atangulinga mmani akutte sente za Museveni azitutte mbonze ngende nolinja kuba nnyondo omutwe tewali giwulira. Kakati nkubulira I'm a realist. Lwabwogo should be a realist. He cannot now. He's damaged. Lwabwogo is damaged.
I see.
kati kiringa reality erirudda Bobi Wine cannot go to parliament era ekibiina kibajja kimulyako yes kubanga bamusalira amagezi bategeera ti if one of his brothers go to parliament ajja kulizayininga to pave way for a by-election ayitemu ne badira ono omusajja nkunyingi bamuwa miliyoni 200 ogula kaadi tayinza kuvaamu you cannot give away
yamulekere ekifo
anti kyekubulya yagula kigule Bobi Wine yali alowooza nti ajja kufuuka president he did not have a fallback position yali alina influence ebagamba tibanaye ni kesi nga siwangudde nkunyingi tajja tuteekewo omuyabayaba kakati segirinya no sewanyana nga babasibye ayinza okufuna bwayitira
kituufu
yes naye nabo tebajja walabyeyo agamba nti ennaku zebakkiriza omubaka wa parliament obutabeera mu parliament because the population eyakulonda teyinza butakiikirirwa olw'emisango gyo naye owulidde agitation ey'okujjayo seba agundi kitegeeza n'ekyo tebasobola kikola if you want Segirinya to be released tomorrow let Bobi Wine start agitating for abantu b'ekitundu Segirinya mwava batandika okugamba n'oyo munne
nti aveeyo
nti baveeyo bannange tulonde tetukiikiriddwa ebbanga lyaffe lyonna Segirinya enkyavaayo I'm telling you but they are not strategic.
I see.
Singa Bobi Wine akera kumachana aga timugambye mutya timugambye nti parliament bamulonderawa timu parliament nzikiriza naffe tumulondere mu batya
nkulaba
gomenye mukazi wanga yayimiriddawa abakuba abakazi omukazi nayimirirawo naga kale nkuba ko luyonda nkuba otya bayina akasomo obayina akasomo gomesi bano tibamanyi kubaganya let this man Bobi Wine agambe tibannanga abanuupu abalonda bano bagundi tetulaba gyekiraga tetugenda kudya abantu baffe nga tebakiikiriddwa wabeereyo by-election
tulondeyo abantu abalala
babata
kuba tebagala
bafune wayitira naye tibali strategic ye lwambu ogutali strategic you are tainted now you have exposed yourself to William Museveni tagenda kuwa busika that alone takuwa busika two among the banyankole naffe mu baganda omukota ayinza kusikira sezaalawo toyina liguduliko
nebiri byabufuzi muzeeyi
tasobola and what these people don't know, they don't know that Radio Katwe is more believed and credible than the mercenary newspapers.
I see.
Yes.
But muzeeyi Radio Katwe also bears a lot of data because these are people on ground.
Yes.
These are the people who feel the side effects.
Let's helicopter drop Wabogo in Imbalala without escorts. Or to Muevas. They are hated. I didn't know that Wabogo is so hated like this. But when the people whisper to me, hasn't he not kill you? How? Every maggot is paid for by a human being. I am not kill him. And I will never work with them. Never. I know. I played around with my future by joining. I make a bad gamble. I gambled with my life. That's why I'm suffering. By joining these people, I made a gamble. I looked at the book according to its cover. I didn't know that we are bad people.
I see.
Yes.
But
once
people think you still have some.
Is important. Even if fuel is important. Even what is important. We call them bakopi. A person who believes that fuel is important to a person. If I remove fuel, I'll be punishing him. He's a mkopi. You see bakopi, Baganda we have two times when we use a mkopi. A mkopi is a person who does not belong. Is a peasant. But there is a mkopi in character. Who believes that fuel is important. A car is important, a government car. What additional value does it give me? Apart from creating
as a person.
I name motoka. Which one?
We hear cars give lift the economic status of people,
how?
Especially those who use it to get money from the public.
Why? Because if you have a car, when you don't have money, and you drive your kid with a postdated check to a headmaster, he will laugh at you. Because this car has created trouble for you. In fact, those who have traveled, if you travel abroad with a ready passport, can you sleep in
a 5-star.
Yes, we must find a way, be accommodated in the 5 stars. But if you're a poor person, that's what you do. Because in Uganda, everything is for masquerading. Somebody gets a red passport. That's why they are not respected. So if somebody gives you a red passport, how is it going to help you?
Yes.
Red passport. When you are going to starve in London.
Where are you going with a red passport?
But if you get
what is the economic value of a red passport to me?
Bakopi value these things. Doesn't he have a salary? Which is salary? Is it your salary that you have used to buy a building in Kampala? Why do you believe? Mention it. If a real salary, mention it. Mention it in the public.
Mention
and express your copy. Again, further copy. A person who mentions the salary is a copy.
But we are wondering, you people have worked for the government.
Tolia mere yange. Very absurd. It's not mentionable. No gamba abantu be wakani tolia mere yange.
Kitufu.
It's not mentionable. Muganda cannot mention it. Neru abo gasibana amafuta. Mbwa nsibira amafuta. Ajewo nacho. Mbwa nchangende mu suko benyondo suko bomu toyimbwa mutwe. What's caused this? To come to you when I'm begging. Suko yira kotomo suko tumira ngenta mane ba manyone nga kujjamu. Nyamwe different character, ladies and gentlemen. Kakati nkugamba the political tremors zino okubeerawo. Me, what I tell the president is simple. I think he has taken a decision too late. If it is a cancer, it has already spread to other bodies. So cutting off the cancerous ledge may not help Museveni much. Why? If we want to understand Museveni's problems, the political tremors we were talking about, I wrote it in this book. This book of mine, I predicted that Museveni's succession will be blood. And
we are seeing the initial signs.
All what we are seeing. I wrote even another book, The Kazu, How Kazu Politics Ruins Nations. Kazu is where you chase away other people like they did it once. The Banyampi chased away. And eventually, when you pollute the air, you smell it yourself. Because there are no shakeovers. The Banyampi we left. Every Munyampi left. The other Banyampi like a same pija came back of a second job. Somebody tells you to what sent, no, come on, to remove Mizinga. When will you get annoyed? You come out second job.
Second job or your Joes.
But you got there on a booster. What's it? So sentences it was never go in. Same picture never go in one about you and in parliament about you go censorship. Kati yadda yo second job. But Alimu Mizinga ku second job. Kakata bujja mugo vembwe deyo. Kakata to bali mujaya ja kubala this.
Levuze ebintu bobimanyira bivikamu.
No.
Bareka babimanyira.
No.
Ebyo kumi we mizinga bino.
No. I think they have loans. These people have loans. But there is what we call in psychology, the Stockholm Syndrome. Stockholm Syndrome means a woman was held hostage by a man. And during her period being a hostage, the man abused her. He used to lock her inside, come back, rape her and go. But when the police stormed the dungeon, the woman fought with the police. So the psychologist asked it, how can you explain this? They said the woman had used to abuses, the way the man was treating her. But because the man didn't kill her, she developed love for him. That at least he is raping me every day, but has not killed me. I think that's what you are explaining. These people are saying, okay, but you never they can bring us back. But the issue is
Stockholm Syndrome.
But how do you explain the two same pictures? As I failed to explain, to defend, if you ask me a question, what do you remember about Emmanuel Mutebire? Failure. Which one do I celebrate?
I read from the papers they were saying you one? And Sudiru hated Mutebire with passion.
Which one?
You hated the guy so much.
No.
For failing Green Bank.
No, it's not Green Bank. What about Green Bank? Guleni Bank at Dar es Salaam was functioning. Guleni Bank at Zanzibar was functioning. Guleni Bank at Nairobi was functioning. Because this supporting the economy, free economy, those are generalities. What is his docket? His docket was in the banking.
I see.
The central bank, in the banking. That you were guardian of children, you rape them.
Imagine.
A headmaster. A headmaster means what? How to manage a school.
I see.
You cannot see that, you see, as a catechist, he was a good man. No, the responsibility is the governor's central bank. Where is Museveni? This is why I'm telling them that Waboko was saying on recording, he preferred to work with Northerners. That's why he filled these jobs. The Chief Justice, this woman,
the
the
Vice
Speaker.
Presidency.
You have a problem. What if somebody brings you to be deputy headmaster in a headmaster where the headmaster is sick,
of course,
and the headmaster dies? What does it mean?
It means that the deputy will take on.
Yes.
The duties
in the Catholic Church, we have
for.
auxiliaries. Auxiliaries means an auxiliary that is going to take over immediately. This man clocks 75. And he does certain roles like a president elected in America. Kakati today, if you brought this man, the deputy governor, from the World Bank, to deputize a senior,
The head of
what did you bring
head
him?
of the bank.
But the newspapers, because of the arrogance of Josie, Kajina,
they are starting to speculate.
Why didn't you deputize this man who was sick? If
you had wanted the Kajina to be the deputy,
and they don't know
how, the governor would have deputized already.
Because of the arrogance, they don't know how to handle issues. First of all, you can appoint, you can make a ministry shuffle, appoint this man Minister of Finance, bring there the person of your choice, and promote one of the directors as a deputy. That can be understood. First promote this one. But you cannot say that you bring another to be governor. It means that this man will be deputy forever. I pack and go.
I see.
That is humiliating the people.
I see.
Stop humiliating the people. People are human beings.
Yes.
But whatever, we shall be worse than Rwanda genocide. The Baganda have a saying, Mago amafumira. Amafumira means
they punched you
with bitterness when you don't bleed.
They punched you and you did not bleed.
Yes. The Baganda fear amafumira.
So you're rotting from inside.
Umuganda will ask you, you man, you had an accident. Did you bleed? No. Mafumira. And they are not talking about man zembabanja. Man assignment. Nina okujayo tepu zange. Mbawenye umusango kwe hey. Not ziri obanti tuyinayo omusajja ono akasimo ketemuyinako ketusooke tumuwaako. In fact it comes
actually sigaba kuwadde ez'obutabuvu wa supplying aluli baga nti katusooke tumuwe ze yakolera era tunaabiraba
because Rich Mirundi is a nuclear bomb. That's what Wabogo said. If Rich Mirundi is a nuclear bomb, okay, you pay in heaps of cow dung. Because what are you going to pay? A person who is arrogant doesn't reason because he thinks that ajja kujoga buli fenna twasaamiridde tulinze batangolinga sente mwe mwayina mmeka. Have you sold your cows? Have you sold your cows to dangle this money? Tukole ne tuzite bagundi ekyankwanzi during Christmas. This man will come running. Nolinja kutiroyo. Nolinja kubaluka suicide bomba ba. Petugenda fenna. Jogo ndi kumale mutwe. Kakati Museveni, I think it is too late.
Mzee, I want to know how Museveni has been a failure.
Yes.
Sincerely, how
many banks
that collapsed under
you are talking about
him?
A booming economy? Banks are collapsing.
But Mzee, how do you explain the fact that Museveni left the guy there for all that time?
Yes.
If he saw that the economy was not growing.
And regional balancing is a mukiga. And the bakiga can demand it. Tawuli buno bwana obusiru. Buno bodota buno omusajja w'amagye. We need a hospital. Your father is dead. If your dead father, with all the influence, did not bring the hospital. The most stupid orphans.
Deputy IGP.
The most stupid orphans are those daughters of this man. You turn your father's funeral. The actuaries are not there. These are not there. Now, where you appointed, if your father you were celebrating as a gallant soldier and not managed to bring those things, will you bring them through Muzimu? Stupid idiots.
I see.
One of what we talk about. Very stupid girls.
I see.
You are supposed to shed tears for your father. You turn it in public rally. Everybody, you were ashamed. We want actuaries. Actuaries are not many. At a funeral, Muganda will tell you, very stupid family. Very stupid girls. You talk about politics at a funeral.
I see.
You must do this. You must do this. You must do this. If your father failed with all of the influence he had to bring them when he's still alive, are they going to honor him by this? The disappointment was intended to give you more money in retirement.
I see.
Retirement benefits are now more.
Yes.
This was the intention as a person who knows things, who follow about things. A promotion that is given to you in death is only enables you to get
a bigger retirement package.
That's all.
Maybe they had weighed and seen that whatever they were given was small, so they used the chance to...
In my opinion, when you talk about succession, I wrote about it. And I am clear. I pointed out that the problem they made, Museveni made several mistakes.
But Mzee,
to reach where we are
help me
now.
Conclude this. The speculation in the newspapers about the next governor.
Yes.
Shouldn't the media write about that?
No.
Because you're saying
you see,
they are wrong in writing about this.
Well, the deputy governor was not even mentioned. You people, this is not Banyankole Kweterana Cooperative Union. When we are selecting a leader for Banyankole Kweterana, this is how you are narrowing. This is how you have reduced this government.
Yes.
This is how, at times, we feel ashamed to associate with you.
Imagine.
Certain things these people do. To impress Museveni. What if he appoints somebody else? What is wrong with this man?
But I was also wondering how.
Was he born alone? And when you see people reading these newspapers on the street, you see them nodding their head. I'm telling you.
There's this guy of, they are putting this guy of.
Are we captives?
There is this guy of Mobs. Here he was one of the suggestions. Before even the governor has been buried,
yes.
The newspapers are already suggesting.
It is an indirect way of appealing to Museveni for appointment.
These people themselves sponsor the articles.
They give them money. They give these poor newspapers money that you put your name there. Put your name there. Some people are conmen. They have started now in the vetting process. Soldiers will go to them, conmen will go to them. Now, do you know?
They even mentioned Muhakanizi.
Oli mu vetting process bagalayo obukadde 10. Bagalayo $1,000,000. This is how they call people.
I see.
But the public, the wound, why don't you allow this man? Because you knew that this man was dying. This man must be governor. The deputy who has been deputizing a sick man, a senior, must be promoted to governor. Because Mwamulita how do you feel? Mbonze nalikiriza nembeera wansi wa ddoni naye lwabwoko ojooga lwabwoko oli mujozi naye obujozi bw'ojooga obuyirupe kuba abakukaaba tuli bangi
kati muzee let me say
abakaaba lwabwoko
let's bring in this issue of bundling.
Musabira ekintu kimu kumulabako mu government etali ya Sezaala. One day we shall see him in a government which is not choba are fighting anti either I've been in charge, he'll never. Wabogo, even if God decides, Wabogo would never become president.
Mzee, you remember the time when they
should sleep off.
You remember the time when they bundled Kaseke out of office?
Yes.
I thought they were preparing the deputy who will take on the governorship.
They brought a Mukiga man there. The man is called the younger son of Tumuboyini. Yes. You take it there to Muboyini because he's in the bank. But it's humiliating this man that the deputy should not become governor. No, it's only even this in our constitution. The vice president keeps for 90 days as the president. If the president is incapacitated, she can decide. She can be endorsed by the party. She can decide to stand alone. Don't you see this woman of Tanzania? She knows what she's doing. She cannot become a Remu Dak. Now, she has done everything to show that she's interested in the presidency.
I see. And
as a result, the Speaker of Parliament has closed the opposition. But I know she knows the principles of Chama cha Mapinduzi. The Zanzibari, a woman, a Muslim from Zanzibar, cannot be president of Tanzania. Once the opposition parade sponsors a person from the mainland, Chama cha Mapinduzi will be in the opposition for the first time. But those who like their parties, and like NRM, yesterday, you could not even know that it was a big party for NRM.
Yes.
I did not see.
Some schools even went ahead and
I did not see somebody donning a yellow T-shirt.
Yes.
They fear.
We are wondering
it's only me.
How a popular party that won the previous election less than a year.
Asobola no battery. Ayikola ntuke mu lugose bwako atakonga mwindi. Waboga akolebwa. Mwali ize aliyo. And take them. God gave you testicles. You cannot acquire turn a human, an intelligent human being like me into a rugosi.
I see.
We can become partners, but the way I looked at you when I was in New Vision, when I was in the government, there's no. We don't share any similarity at all.
I see.
In fact, even if you stand against a pig, I will support a pig.
Are you serious?
Embizi je mpagira. Wabogo na imira unga waliwe embizi. Mpagira embizi.
Serious?
We shall never meet. Never. He is responsible for what I've gone through. Jay always can suffocate me. Nidda. Naibo Jose Banji. You are going to face a very big challenge. In fact, if I was in Wabo, I would take the Kakozamutari option.
Style.
Because I can tell you, when it comes to succession, I can tell you, which areas can we, catchment areas, for success? The catchment areas for success are mainly four. One, the party. But the way you are treating the party, it tells you this man has no influence in the party.
But
because if it were
is NRM still a catchment area
had influence in
for that option
in the party, he wouldn't have proposed this bill. He's running away from. This is why he brought Olanya against Kadaga. He was saying always, I have my reforms. This fearing of the people cannot originate from Museveni. Yaduka mwaite mukamori. Oita mukamori tetuyiwaba abantu noduka. Toyinza kubeera wa. Nemwankole tobeera yo.
But Mzee, all those policies that have been brought in the past.
Bwabwoko bali kufubutula abantu obapolovoking. Niyo bali kugoba emisinde bwe bati n'ekisuku tojja kusulayo. Bali mugoba emisinde ngadduka. Abaganda bajereka mu Kampala tuyita mu Buyisi. Baganda do they own Kampala? How long shall we wait in Muganda to? Abaganda bojereka bwe bali kunywa ne bakukwatira wano bwe bati bwabati ne bategeera nti gwe ne bakunyweza oliwulira olitegeera kye bayita Abaganda nga bakukyayi olitegeera kye bayita Omuganda ngadduka ekisugwa dduka olitegeera gwe kakati nze nkubuulira nti eppate
one of the catchment areas.
Tadongo came up, which means
and they are spoiling the part of course.
That in NRM usually A proposal begins with the caucuses. The cadres are not known. That's a foreign body, which means this man wants to circumvent the party. So a party like Chama cha Mapinduzi can produce a candidate, because once you become even an unpopular person, a compromising candidate can be marketed by Chama cha Mapinduzi. Maybe this is what the woman, but the woman, a Muslim in the mainland, I think it cannot work. So that's one. Two, if you are smart guys, you can infiltrate the opposition and get a candidate in the opposition who cannot mess with you in the future. This is what Kabila did. Kabila made sure that this man in Shikedi, who was the third, becomes president. He attributes his success to, and Kabila blackmails him. If it was not me, should I reveal the results? So Kabila, being young, although he's young, was a smart guy. So you can use the opposition as long as you protect. What are the safeguards of Kabila, of Congo? Kabila controls the Senate and is a life member of the Senate.
I see.
So these are checks and balances. He is better than Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta is saying that I'm going to be the coach. This is a player. Raila Odinga. Can Uhuru
be coach Raila?
When you see a lion that has subjected to a heavy storm and shrinks, can it shrink to the level of a cat?
No.
Raila Odinga.
However much there was a heavy downpour,
Uhuru will control Raila Odinga. I bet my money.
I see.
You control Raila Odinga. That Uhuru will remain a coach. First of all, Raila.
I think Uhuru has mastered the art of Kenyan politics.
Is not.
And when he says I can trust him.
People used to fear Kikuyos in Kenya for assassinations. Today you cannot assassinate. Violence. The younger people are no longer in the armpits of the older people.
Yes.
I always read in the Kenyan newspapers, Raila saying, they said it was not, you could not climb a mountain in Kenya. Today, I'm at the apex. Climbing it? Are you climbing it using your energy or somebody's energy?
You're on the shoulders
who
of
pays the piper, controls the tune.
Of
and
course.
You see, these people, that's what they make. They don't understand. What about the early days when Uhuru told Raila Odinga that you have to buy many, you have to use more money to buy painkillers because you will tolerate my 10 years and it was 10 years. What went wrong? What went wrong? If Raila,
we see Ruto making partnerships with Museveni.
And Ruto fell out after the case. These people were moving throughout to Kenya on what they used to call prayer rallies, kneeling before priests, kneeling before sheikhs, to pray for them, blaming Raila for everything. Do peasants forget quickly? Of course we have a proverb in Uganda, I think, among the Baganda, I think the Kikuyos don't have it. The Baganda have a saying that no deep back clothes will always contain rice.
Yes.
The Baganda also say that the moon can light, but cannot reach the light of the sun.
Yes.
They are darker parts in some
of course,
areas.
It must show it is the moon in the night.
Yes. So,
but
I was explaining. That was the second one.
Politics is how data you play. I think this is the level of darkness they have reached.
I'm telling you that this is second catchment area. We're planting
getting a strong opposition person.
Like the way this
that might tolerate you after taking over.
It was a good strategy. Bobby Wine was brought for this purpose. He can get us MPs, he can be tolerant. The only problem, it was not a full government policy. It was done by a faction in the government. That's why another group that had not properly been briefed about Bobi Wine's strategy and his role turned against his anger. And when I see Birungi being brought back in the military intelligence, I'm seeing that the relationship between the anticipating hard times from NUP, somebody is using a NUP. Museveni has realized that somebody had infiltrated NUP through Mpuga. Yes. It could be that Museveni has realized that Rwabogo had infiltrated NUP. Because when
but to say, why is it about the same family all the time?
When the NUP leaders see the appointment of Birungi, who was transferred to Southern Sudan at the peak of the violence against Bobi Wine, coming back and taking up military intelligence, what does it mean? It means there is a new attitude. NUP has exposed itself to be used by who?
Someone else.
By Rwabogo. Yes. I can explain.
Is he that powerful?
And he came up. Yes. Has been eating up this government.
Serious?
Yes.
Is that guy so powerful to the extent of political strategizing?
The other solution to a retiring president is looking into members of the first family. I said that Museveni has been given visions by God. He said many Ugandans don't have a vision. A vision is a dream whose fruits will be realized in a period of not less than 20 years. Museveni has seen Bashir, the fall of Bashir. Museveni has seen the fall of Mubarak. Museveni has seen the way he was buried, the way he was accorded honorable burial, because the person he groomed was in power. Museveni has seen Mugabe. Museveni has seen Eduardo dos Santos, who is in exile, and his children. He is still the chairman of the party.
Is he picking lessons from all what he has seen?
Yes, he must. So this reduces the succession battle to a selfish area.
I see.
Who cannot mistreat Museveni in retirement? M.I.S.O.
I see.
M.I.S.O. who does not respect him. M.I.S.O. who has 2 times been put under house arrest for disobeying him. M.I.S.O. who has been taken and his allies to police station side D to explain what they mean, the fellowship means for the presidential project. What's their presidential project? So is it this man? Let us assume. Do you believe that can Museveni trust Rwabogo more than his son?
If I'm the one, of course,
and the mistake they are making is to undermine him. I was explaining that immediately Bujingo became a chief celebrant at Muhoozi's
45th birthday
celebrations. Kayanja and Senyonga started fighting him. Today, Kayanja was ringing the prosecutor in Entebbe. The prosecutor refused to pick the phone. I had them looking for a man called Rutalo, Robert. That Rutalo is causing them trouble. The purpose of government DPP taking over in charge of the case was to chase away this command, the Madia Maniac. Give it credibility. Yes. I can play tape for you briefly where Teddy was meeting these people. Yes.
Seriously?
Kayanja yesterday on Sunday was meeting, and Senyonga Ranga Kayanja yesterday to ask him. They said, Kayanja, they said, it seems Museveni is fighting us. Why? Because Mirundi does not have a program on Bujingo's TV station. Why is he fighting for this man? And this man, the machines he's using they belong to Museveni. Why is he targeting us? Yes.
And why are you targeting them?
And Baba Deba Kuba Muhozi. era Kayanja yabadde ateekamu ssente naye kankubuulire the government must help Ssenyonga with the 2 pastors because Ssenyonga has been attacking other pastors. What other pastors have decided, the supporters, is to infiltrate Ssenyonga's church.
Are you serious?
Ssenyonga should avoid the pulpit for the time being. Ssenyonga is going to be attacked, stripped naked in the church. I'm telling you.
I see.
And Kayanja is also going to be humiliated.
I see.
Kayanja is going to be heckled.
I see.
I'm telling you, when M.i.S.O tells you, it has told you. So, when you look at all of these factors, and the only remaining institution in Uganda that can act as the American...
But let me ask you there. Can't a president groom a successor out of his family?
Can't. No, I've told you. I've told you
for all these years.
I've told you the party. But Wabogo made sure that the party does not function.
But that is still within the same family. Can he get someone out of the party?
Gave Nankabirwa 5 billion to tackle Kadaga, Beyanako. They also invested in coming MPs because he's determined he has the money. He's a man who was stolen and Nuni was rising in the wreck. His younger brother, Bajakumukwata. Oya bamato gabantu ne yefuula mukasa bali muyola bweyoti bara mufata
mukasa w'ennyanja
bali mufata byamato gabantu n'atwala ennuni yaabwe oba ye mukasa w'ennyanja oba ebyennyanja ateekamu emmere oyo ate bwe bali muyola ate is more hated by his brother oya bamato gabantu bamumanyi nonokulu bali muyola bamumanyi bana abantu tebamanyi kiri mu nsi. People are itching to grab some people like a grasshoppers. Kakati nkubuulira negamba nti have asked me. Yes, but we have not done it. It's not the duty for Museveni.
I was wondering.
Yeah, no,
he's to clock 40 years.
I told you.
Without preparing someone out of his family.
Whenever I examine Wabogo talking, I'm seeing the emergence, an emergence of an African Hitler. You let people listen to these tapes. He says they are fake. But listen to them. He says they are fake. Maybe they are fake. They are fabricated. But a person who can ramp up a whole tribe, the Basoga fools, the Easterners, the Baganda, it should be Westerners to control man. What type of person is this? Can you really allow this man?
But even if he says these are fake tapes, but this is what is happening in the economy. It is the same people he's talking about controlling the economy. It is the same people he's talking about.
Where can this man go? Is he a soldier? Because the army is remaining as an orbit. He cannot raise his head. But you see people, once you are a realist, Wabogo is not a realist. He maybe is just arguing to force his father-in-law into a negotiating table. Because he talks about his legacy. Which legacy do you have?
Position.
Wabogo, which legacy do you have? Fighting people in the state house, replacing with yours, humiliating people, controlling the state house as if it's your farm, treating us like your miracles, which is attributed even in the patriotic movement, in spite of its money, it failed. He talks about legacy. Which legacy does Wabogo talk about?
But Musei, let me grade this. Was the appointment of Kandiho to Sudan a promotion or a demotion?
No. Southern Sudan can accept everything. But they also, one time they will say, no, we are not a jirikiti, where they dump dead dogs. Yes, if you despise Southern Sudan, you are creating another Rwanda. Because you also understand, how come that we are son equal?
Imagine.
Yes.
But has Kandiho performed that badly?
And let me tell you, so I have finished this one. That I wrote this book predicting that it will be bloody. I even came up with another book, the Kazu Politics. In this book, I tell you that in many cases, what brings problems in Africa are first ladies. First families fears. The first families create trouble for the country. If they split. Some people are saying, splitting, yes, you are splitting your family. You are weakening.
Of course.
The people are waiting to grab you like grasshoppers. If a importer fights with another importer and they throw themselves out of the wreck, the other people just grab them. Yes. If a buffalo strays out of the national park, it's surrendering itself to the poachers.
I see.
Instead of venturing deep into the national park.
I was looking at him put in the presence of people.
Yes.
Because we have to fry.
It would be up to them to make themselves united. If they are not united, if you people cannot unite and you hate each other, the people can decide none of them.
Of course.
Is fit. Yes.
Bobby Wine will grab it.
Yes. Or another person. The moment you disagree, and eventually, because I know the way Wabogo operates using the media, like this man Kakwenzi, they are using Kakwenzi, Bujingo, because they think they are undermining him was. So if you are rich, you are using the same media, you are using the same tactics you use against other people, to use them against the person you refer to as a brother, then you are in danger.
I see.
You are destroying yourselves.
But
I said that if a woman chooses her husband of being a notorious thief on the village, in a domestic quarrel, whom is he helping? 10 billion mwase kamba Amawulire. Ngamuloze kijja kuba short term. Mbakubi. Mukama nyo benyo nenya kwabekire changu. Ekyangu anzinja bekireyo. Okunjoga naye avuza family yafe natubanyabanya. Not mbwanteke mu kosirwe. Wanyinyako bwati. Is there. Atambula yekazi yakuba antadde wanda we tali chikola. You never get it.
I see.
So you must be realistic.
Jagala kubuza mzee. Abantu bano bebali shaforinze Nakalema na Akullo. Can we give them other roles?
Which one?
Basavinze ko mu
anti ngugambi they were undermining. The government will fail. And it's not going to stop there. You think Kafuza can remain in the government? Can Chiwanuka remain in the government? Can this man remain Chief Justice? Who messed up?
If Museveni remains.
Gweti ogwomusango. Gwaleka gumwononye. Nti uno mukazi yawugana bwoganye kisaki. The man panicked.
I see.
Conclusion yalishi. Omusajja omusanga akuvuddemu tyatu kutugenda nagwo mu maaso. Ogenze nagwo mu maaso ogwono yafuna amasimu aga. Owinyeddo. N'akankana omusango n'agwonoona. Kisaki eyajjanga azze kusoma ki? Judgment ye.
Yes.
Allow him to read her judgment.
Yes.
Ha. Nanyini buyinza yakubaya amasimu abiri.
Yamusanga mu corridor namujjako judgment namuharasinga.
I talked to Gundi on bamwita mutya Kalugiri. I talked to him and said some people are behaving as if we are not in charge. Ebyo nawe ebiri naye olunaku lumu mulira abadduka. Fa tutte bali mutta. Tutte ne bali mutta ne faamu ne zikwata omuliro mu ddakiika budakiika. N'olaba bwadduka bw'ali banga tadduse. Alitambulirako mu kagaali k'abalema. Nkeera waffe mu nsozi n'enkunama ne mukabira. Buli abaana bange bwe babonaabona ngenda mu nsozi n'enkuma ebyoto. Yes. Toyinza kubonyaamu y'omuntu atalina ekyakoze. What did I do to him? He took my job. Naga navumye nazaala we n'aleeta owuwe. Immediately I left n'ateeka mu ssente. Ojja kati gwe. You are dangling money wange. Jangu nkuyiira asset. Ekyankwanzi nali mutwala baba. Kuba nali ntegedde. Yagenda kujja ekyankwanzi. Beefuula abanyigiriza. Apologize. Nali mbeetika. 10 bafu. 5 bali kinjati.
Mpulira.
Wogolo yalitegedde nti omusajja ono yankyawo. I hate him more than hate himself. Because I don't see why has killed my political career.
Gatumaliza ekitutu kino. Tosuubira nti mukama wa Museveni kati abulwa olw'okuba training abantu bakumusavinga bulungi nti bw'ojjawo Nakalema bw'ojjawo Akullo n'oteekawo Guno naye kati muzeeyi abantu abanyigiriziddwa mu sayidi ya Akullo bo bagenda kufunirawo obwenkanya kuba ye avuddewo agenze.
How will they? Nobody can manage side. That one I can tell you. Museveni addira ekyuma n'akijja mu mmotoka n'ateekamu ekikadde. Ekikadde ne kittabyo. Side you must overhaul it. You must overhaul side.
Sikugobako omuyeka.
Side ette emisango ku kyalo. Ogwa defilement ne repo bagutunda assault. Kati ono anabeere n'amanyi biri. He must start side
overhauling it from police station.
Emyezi 6 nga tali mu office. Agenda nnyonnyola abantu beerosi. Abeerosi bakonaivinga n'abantu. Ne batunda n'ebibanja ebitali byabo. Kakati side yetandikirewo. Side is the armed criminal crime intelligence agency. Nti ne bookya essomero. Essomero ne balyokya abaana bataano ne bafa. Neŋŋano bakwata. Ne bagaba poliisi ekimpe. N'antaba. Ne bamutraininga bamutte ate ne munoonyayo emusibe
kyewuunyisa bweyagaana okukola statement ku poliisi.
Side is rotten. Why? Nti luli bwemwagendanga emasindi mu training the best students in the police training nga balagawa bagendanga mu side na special branch traffic fire leero nga temuvaamu inspector general.
I see.
The first inspector general police mu fire yali Maswere eyatuukako. The first inspector general police from railways yali Byekwasa. Nga tebabalabawo. Kakati when you go highly educated people mu police abaperformiza obulungi bali mu VIP.
I see. VIP protection. Bali mu traffic. Kubanga abasajja bano abuuliriza omusango bakama abe ne bagutta amazima
bali sente
ayagutwala fayiro mpaka ku entiko n'erya sente.
In fact you can
but is overhauling possible here
bwekutatya insecurity onobagoba anti nkubuulidde nti oddira otya omusajja was asking me private ayina diguli abadde atya mu majenga private gwakuliza namutuusa ku mmeeza. Kakati mu police mulimu abasoma law waliyo Masaka yasoma law bangi nnyo abasomye law mulala yasoma law ali lukungirya rotinga. This would be the people in the police. Omusajja Sebutinde bwe yabuulira ku police ya Uganda yagamba nti future side directors must be lawyers.
I see.
Don't we have people who did the law?
Of course we have.
Yes.
Even in the police itself. They are lawyers.
Ye Museveni bw'alowooza nti ono omusajja kati Nakalema akiremeddemu ekitongole obwa money tabukuba obwa mba handed over to his boss. Mbukakyalimu kakuba amasimu kalaga abantu nti ekitongole kikyali kyako. This kayole kakuba empibwe kakomawo gwe bawadde ekifo kakuba empibwe kakwate tayi empibwe kajjemu basigalamu nga bakoleramu. Tumwebaze minister presidency yagiremeramu kakyawa ebiragiro side gundi eno gundi eno eya technology kagiremeramu kayole kabetente empinga kakuzanyirako.
I see.
Bulemeramu mwana wange ne busigala nga bukola eno n'eno ne muti
eringa akubayo amasimu alina eno gyagenda
mabega w'olujjuka benyondo okasoma okalekemu ofisi zonna zirina gundi ne bwe balonda baladisi ne kateekayo entwe yako ne buteekayo entwe emirimu gyonna bwe giwamba byandaala nasaasira yasigala yafuga minisitule mukkiriza zaaki nti miyingo yaali awo tujja mwokera bwere. President alagidde 5 billion ziyamba amasomero kulonda tewali gye ziri osirisi radio ne TV zaabula muyingo osirisi. Why don't you resign?
I see.
Kubanga ini
abali ya sente ekyewuunyisa bo teboogerwako gwe otudde mu kifo omubiri wa sente gwe tolya
bannanyini nsi bajja ne bazinona ne badduka bo ne badduka basibambwa kitutu babba sente za rea milioni 10,000 za dola kitutu tayina na muti gw'amasanyalaze waabwe alekangalabi tujja kumusiba fonga yeye bajja kumusiba gavumenti eriddako ne bano kye balwanako nti bafune ate abasibe teri atajja kubasiba waayo ajja kusanga byonna ebintu Museveni abikoze kyemuyinamu okukolamu ekirungi ti when you get your person asobola okugamba nti Kuteesa baamutwala mu kooti ye Bukenya baamusiba eruzira Muhoozi yavaayo Mukula baamusiba ye Kuteesa yalemera mu ddooko gavumenti eyammwe babuulirako ne mufuna abalamuzi ababakolera technicalities but if you throw it away ne mufuna ananga dimani lekemi nenkikwatamu obusungu bwenina you killed my political career ngoyagala bwa president not career yange abaana bange bulionda bala
toloza nti Ensonga lwaki beremeza mu ntebe
nino obutabo bujjudde wange buyitirivu kati nga babugabe mbongende nkole wansi we nelinja kubeta ente ennyungu mwana oyo yanoonya nnyo okufa omenya obujozi bwe bali bumulowooza amwandisimetevu nenyo benyondo mutwe mwaso omuntu nzijja nkole nawe nikakalisa kajeyo entwe kalisa jeyo entwe bakuba mbongende zirimu mukole niye mbejeneza wabba biliyoni 10 nga nkulaba no babiri gwataswala ko kalisa wabaaki nti era nkomewo okolere atumye muwanga ninja bakalisa enyondo mutte kubanga mwe mulowooza tuli bantu we are human beings.
I see.
We are born, we are not made by carpenters.
Leka nkubuze mzee institution ye ya gundi anti corruption ye gasachi.
Tina.
Bifebi.
Ani kugai yali badai gigi.
Gira corruption ye gani.
Mubinyo. Omusajja kubaita kirunda ya mubba milioni 3. Nnaku ezo bagenda mu gundi. Mu Merceland. Nga balowooza mutani wange mwali mu balidde sale. Bamuyitako buyisi. Bakwata walichira benga bakimensoni. Sente bazirya beno. Ekyo kasola abavudde wanna kwata mayinja mbaba duke babinyo. They are savers. They are more saved. Nakalema's office stinks more than corruption itself. In same way.